Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to check out ZRX 0x price prediction for March 2021. Okay, and currently the markets are very bullish. Look at here, Bitcoin just passed the $60,000 mark. Very interesting all-time high, and Doge is also at six cents. Very very interesting. But we are going to look at 0x today. So it's currently sitting at $1.37. It has had insane pump. Look at here, from like 40 cents to $2. Very interesting, very cool. Currently it has lost some momentum here, but I think that it's all good because look at the liquidity on ZRX. It's listed on many exchanges. It's trusted by many exchanges. So very interested to see that. I remember looking at ZRX like 2019, 2018, and yeah, people have been like, look, if you bought it on the bear market, like when there was not happening, when cryptocurrencies were very boring, like from 14 cents to $2. That's crazy gains here right there. But anyway, let's look at ZRX price prediction for March 2021, and we are going to use token metrics. So token metrics is machine learning software. Okay, so what it means that it uses past data to predict the future data and predict the future price. Okay, and it also has a huge team behind it, and they do good job on fundamental and technology analysis. So they use ZRX's white paper, they read it, and the website and all that, and they gather all the information here. I think that this is very useful tool to do research. But let's dive into the price prediction right now. So like you can see, ZRX is performing well, and I think like currently this machine learning thinks that everything is currently a little bit overpriced. But you can see that in the long run, this machine learning software has made good predictions. Look at here, it's scary accurate. So this is the predicted price, and this is the actual price. It has made some mistakes here and there. Look at here, some major mistake, but overall it has corrected it. Okay, so very interested to see if we're going to just rocket here or come back to this line here to like $1.05, something about that. But let's jump into the fundamentals now. So 80%. Wow, when I look at projects, I always want to see over 80% because that means that it's fundamentally safe. So fundamental summary here. 0x is a decentralized exchange built on Ethereum. It is a way to facilitate transactions among assets on Ethereum blockchain. Compared to the other approaches, 0x takes a different approach compared to the other DEXs. So instead of having everything on-chain, ZX manages order book off-chain. Team aims to provide a real exchange with order books and liquidity. 0x incentivizes third parties to create channels called relayers for users to generate and broadcast messages that contain information such as token they want to trade, quantity, price, order, expiry, and so on. 0x allows relayers to charge a fee denominated in a native token ZRX for their services. The fees paid in ZRX can be more easily paid in Ethereum, therefore ZRX runs the risk of being abstracted away in the long term. It's been more than 2 years since the project started, but the DEX has a low volume at the moment. One of the risks for the 0x project is that its success is tied to the success of Ethereum and the other assets thriving on Ethereum. Through the token will be used for governance, the mechanics are not yet precise. I think that a lot of projects are, for example, ERC20 tokens, they are tied on the success of Ethereum, and if Ethereum fails, I think that it's going to be end badly. Currently, if you look at Ethereum, it's a broken project, and if you disagree with me, go try Ethereum yourself. Go build on Ethereum, and you will see that it's not, compare it to the other like Polkadot or Cardano. You can see you just I'm just going to end that there because there's no point in saying anymore. Look, go try it yourself and go like see the gas fees and everything. So yeah, but anyway, technology here, 0x 81%. So 0x has been on here for years, guys. Okay, so they have developed it for a long time, and people are very passionate about 0x. Okay, so here's more about technology. So 0x is an open protocol that enables peer-to-peer decentralized exchange of assets on the Ethereum blockchain. ZeroX allows off-chain transactions through relayers. Ethereum-based smart contracts to maintain an open order book, and on-chain settlement happens to Ethereum blockchain using state channels. ZeroX token ZRX acts as a payment compensation to the relayers. Very interesting. So here's innovation. So 5 out of 11 innovation here, and these are the like the data points that they use for this architecture. 9 out of 12. Very good, not too complex to understand. Mainnet code quality, very good. That's what I love to see, because it's all about code. And here you can see the references where they have taken this. So official website, white paper, technical document, ZeroX protocol specification, and GitHub. So you can see that they have go straight to the top, and they have got this information from the source, straight from the source. Okay, I love to see that. And a lot of people, when I do these reviews and do these price predictions, people like hate on this software. I don't know why, because it's just data that it shows. It's not about the software. It's just data that's being uploaded on this software. And I don't know why people think that it's like, you have to, of course it's not going to be 100% accurate, because technology moves all the time, and people like it's moving all the time. But I think that this is a fairly good indication. Like if you go here and watch random projects, they have like 20% here, and when you come and when you go look at their website, the website is horrible. There's no information about the team or anything about the goals. And like you can see here's everything on the fundamentals and technology. So ZRX is doing a really good job, in my opinion. So here's technical analysis. This is on the long term and it's like a short-term scale, and it's bullish. It's looking bullish for ZRX in the longer time like period. Not meaning that today or tomorrow. In just general, it's the technology and fundamentals are strong. So I think that it's also very good. But here you can see the machine learning using the data here and what it thinks about ZRX currently. But I don't currently own ZRX. It's not in my area of it's not my strength. So I own different coins. I research more different coins, but I love to make these price predictions because I learn more about the coins, and the more I learn, the better calls I think I can make. Okay, so I like to make these videos, and I hope that you find some value in these videos. You can also check out Token Metrics, by the way, link in description. You can come here and type in any coin, and you can find these in-depth researches and in-depth information here also. But anyway, so ZeroX performance. So cumulative returns versus Bitcoin. Here's very interesting. Which would have been getting you better returns, Bitcoin or ZeroX? Currently it's Bitcoin, so 660% gains, and on ZeroX 150% gains. But I think that ZeroX has also a lot of it can move a lot, because look at the market cap here. Okay, it can move a lot if people are pumping ZeroX, do the news or just hype or anything. I think that it has a lot of room to grow. Okay, yeah, here you can see more about the data here. But anyway, guys, let's jump into the price prediction. Yeah, it's already 8 minutes, so let's jump into the price prediction. My price prediction for ZRX, the most bearish, I think that it's going, like, the most bearish I can see currently for ZRX, it's going to go like somewhere between like $1 and $1.20. Okay, because I don't see that it's going to go lower in March, and this is March price prediction, by the way. So $1 and $1.20. I don't see it going under $1, but it could happen if Bitcoin just starts dumping a lot. But like you can see, it's currently pumping a lot, but the price movement can happen very fast. So I always want to keep that in mind. And but what's most likely going to happen, it's going to be somewhere between $1 and $2. Like if you're going to be realistic, it's going to be between $1 and $2 in March. Like why not? It could go. But if there's going to be bullish some bullish information, news or anything, I think that it can go over $2 like very easily, because it has so much liquidity. Look at, guys, it's on Binance, up with OKX, Coinbase Pro, like on all these exchanges, big true. So when if it starts to pumping, people can access it very easily, because there are a lot of people are at you're either Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, OKX, you're using one of these. Okay, so I think that if there's going to be not news, it can pump very fast, and it has a lot of room to grow. People know it are like it has good things going on for the coin. I think that and technology supports its fundamentals, the team, all this stuff. Okay, so I think that when if it starts to pumping, it will pump very hard because it's like a perfect storm. Its liquidity is so good and everything is just it all just needs some kind of like catalyst. And I think that it's going to be black swan event. Nobody knows like it's going to happen, or if you could know it if you just do in-depth research on ZRX and on the markets. But yeah, I think that that's so the most bullish scenario. I think that it just could fly up past $2 to $3, $4 easily, in my opinion. Um, but that's the most bullish. What's probably going to happen? It's going to hover between $1 and $2 on March 2021. And the most bearish, I think that it can't go like under $1. I think that just that could happen if Bitcoin just go to like suddenly go to $48,000 or something like that, or under 48,000. But I don't. I currently can't see that happening. Of course, it could happen. Okay. Comment down below your price predictions. Those are my price predictions for ZRX. Comment down below what you guys think. If you know more about ZRX and you want to add to this video, just comment down below. I would love to hear your insights. And also subscribe to my channel if you like these type of videos where I go over these coins. Also like this video, that would help me so much. And yeah guys, see you in the next video, and check out Token Metrics, link in description if you want to come here and do your own research on different coins. Anyway, thank you so much and see you soon guys.